Next, question number 3. In question number 3, here given, identify the numerical coefficient other than the constant in the following expression. Here some expressions are given, and this one expression, from this following expression we have to identify the numerical constant. Now question number 3, first one, 4 minus 3x, this one expression. Here terms we have to take minus 3x. Why? Because here mentioned other than the constant. We no need to find the numerical coefficient of constant. We have to find the numerical coefficient of the term. Here we take 4 is the constant, that's why we take minus 3x. And minus 3x, here numerical coefficient is what? Minus 3. Here two terms are there, but one term is constant. That's why we take minus 3x. Next, question number B. In question number B, here expression is 1 plus a plus twice a square plus 3a cube. Here also 1 is the constant, that's why we have to take these three terms of this expression. First one term is a, second one term is twice a square, third one term is a cube. And this one a means what? 1 into a means a, therefore coefficient of a is 1. And coefficient of a square, here in this term numerical coefficient is 2, that's why 2. In this term numerical coefficient is 3, therefore 3. But here a means what? A means 1 into a means a, therefore coefficient of a is 1, that's why we write here 1. Then question number C. In question number C, here three terms are there in this expression. One is x minus twice xy plus 3yz. That's why first one x, second one minus 2xy, third one 3yz. Now x means what? 1 into x, therefore coefficient of x is 1. This one coefficient is minus 2. This one coefficient is 3. Similarly, next, the 0.01x minus 0.02y. That's it. Therefore, here two terms are 0.01x and second one term minus 0.02y. In this term, numerical coefficient is 0.01. And in this term minus 0.02. Next, E. In E, two terms are there in this expression. One term is minus x square y square and second one term 4xy. In this term minus x square y square means minus 1 into x square y square means minus x square y square. That's why here coefficient is minus 1 and here xy coefficient is 4. That's why 4. This way we find the coefficient, numerical coefficient of this expression and other than the constant. I hope all of you understand. Now exercise 7.1 has finished. Okay, you must be clear what is expression, what is term, what is factor, what is coefficient, what do you mean by monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, what is the difference between expression and polynomial. Okay, I hope all of you understand, and if you get problem then you can ask me. Okay, thank you.